What's up, guys? Just want to give you a little bit of insight of what's going on in the shop today. So here we have a Ford Bronco that we're doing some paint correction, ceramic coating to. We've got a Chevy Corvette that we did a paint correction and we did paint protection film and ceramic on, and it's ready to be picked up. So we've got a G-Wagon back here that we're doing some severe hail damage repair on. It's got some pretty nasty shots on the roof and pretty much all over. Getting that one wrapped up. We've got a Ford F-150 with some deer damage. We're doing some insurance repair on. Hit the door and the bedside. That's what Mark's working on over here. And then we have a dealer vehicle that we're doing a all over detail. Pretty nasty on the inside, so we're getting it all cleaned up using the water extractor. We've got a huge F-250 over here that we did some ceramic coating on about 2 years ago. We got it in for a maintenance wash today, so that's gonna get wrapped up. We've got a second gen Tacoma here that we're doing some paint correction, doing some dent repair on it. Gonna put some ceramic on it, make it look real nice for